Connecting a cable or satellite box to a projector.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of connecting your cable or satellite box to a projector so you can enjoy watching live TV on a bigger screen. This can greatly enhance your viewing experience, especially for sports events, movies, and TV series.
What you will need.
Firstly, let's make sure we have everything we need. Your cable or satellite box, your projector, an HDMI cable, or another type of video cable if your devices don't support HDMI, like VGA, DVI, etc., a sound system or speakers, as many projectors do not have built-in speakers. Please ensure that both your cable or satellite box and your projector have compatible ports for the video cable you're using.
Connecting the cable or satellite box to the projector.
Now, let's move to the actual process. 1. Turn off all your devices. This is to prevent any accidental damage that might occur if connections are made while the devices are powered on. 2. Connect one end of the HDMI cable, or whichever type of video cable you're using, to the video output port of the cable or satellite box. 3. Connect the other end of the cable to the video input port of the projector. Make sure the connection is firm but don't force the cable in. 4. Turn on your devices and set your projector to the correct input channel, usually by using the Input or Source button on your projector or remote. Tip: if you're not getting a picture, double-check that your projector is set to the correct input and that the cable is securely connected at both ends.
Setting up the sound system.
As mentioned before, many projectors do not have built-in speakers, or if they do, the sound quality is not very good. So, for better audio, you may want to connect your setup to a sound system or speakers. 1. Take your audio cable. This could be an HDMI audio extractor, RCA cable, or 3.5mm audio cable, depending on what audio outputs your cable or satellite box supports and what inputs your audio system supports. 2. Connect one end of your audio cable to the audio output of the cable or satellite box. 3. Connect the other end to your sound system or speakers. 4. Turn on your sound system or speakers and adjust the volume as needed. Tip: if you're not getting sound, double-check your audio connections and make sure your sound system is set to the correct input. And that's it. You've successfully connected your cable or satellite box to your projector. Now, you're all set to enjoy watching live TV on a big screen. Remember, always ensure that your devices and cables are compatible for the best viewing experience. We hope this guide has been helpful and you enjoy your improved home viewing experience.